Oh, I have found a lemon in my hair, ready to make my rice salad. Just going to go and get the ingredients. For the ingredients you will need half a lemon and cucumber, 1 spring onion, the star of the show, 1 packet of cooked rice, 250 grams, a small packet of pre-prepared pomegranates, about 2 handfuls of coriander and a small packet of sugar snap peas. Let's make our delicious rice. Let's pour the water in the kettle. Then we can cook the sugar snap peas. I've got a small saucepan with a lid. I'm going to put my sugar snaps in. And we are going to use a technique called blanching. This is pouring boiling water over the sugar snaps. Remember, this is very hot. You'll need a grown-up helper to help you with this, as boiling water is dangerous. And I am going to put the lid on and put it on for 3 minutes. This is the first thing. We're going to cut up the cucumber. The knife is very sharp, so you might need a grown-up helper to help you with this. Cut the cucumber into small pieces. Cut them in rounds first, and then chop the individual pieces. The smaller, the better, keeping my fingers well away from the blade. I have got my coriander. Let's grab a handful in my hand and be really careful, chopping it as small as you can, keeping my fingers well away. There is another technique that I like to use. Remember, scissors are sharp, and this is where I'm keeping my fingers well away. Cut the spring onion ends off. And we won't need these. And this is quite slippery, so you might need a grown-up helper. Take your time when cutting the spring onion. The smaller, the better the pieces. The sugar snap peas have finished blanching. I'll take off the lid. I've got a bowl and a strainer. Let's strain the sugar snaps, taking the water off. Remember, this might be quite hot and heavy, so a grown-up helper might be required. And ready to cut with my scissors. Let's cut up the sugar snap peas using my scissors into my large bowl, ready to put all the other ingredients in. Let's pour in the ingredients: cucumber, coriander and spring onion. Let's open the packet of pomegranates and pour that in too. I'm going to open the main ingredient, rice. You might need a grown-up helper to help you open this. Let's pour it in. We're going to mix it. Got one ingredient missing. It's yellow and it's citrus. Oh yeah, the lemon. I've got my lemon squeezer. I'm going to squeeze my lemon. Pour the lemon juice into my big bowl with all the other ingredients and mix it up. This looks delicious. Why not have a go yourself? And you might want to take a photo and put it on Instagram. And show me your version of your salad. Delicious. Ready for a picnic or a quick lunch you can make yourself. I've got some self-raising flour, gluten-free. Let's see what I'm going to make with this for my next video.